Oh, it's Robbie here. I've got Mark on the camera.
Hello.
And I've got a surprise birthday present to myself.
Not again.
Woohoo! Yeah, I'm 60 again.
Not 60 again. You did half milk your birthday, didn't you?
I do.
And so you're going to buy yourself...
Somebody's got to.
Bought yourself another present.
I have, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're really good to yourself, aren't you?
I am.
Oh, someone's got to be, haven't they?
Yeah.
So, is it a surprise? Have you bought yourself something you don't know what's in the box?
Yeah, I don't. I just closed my eyes and clicked on something.
No, mate, it's because you're 61, you forgot.
I know.
You forgot what you've ordered, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been senile.
Is it another one from Time Tunnel, is it, mate?
It is from Time Tunnel.
Right.
Oh, wouldn't nearly dropped it.
Don't drop it, son.
So, let's get it out of the box.
All right, mate. And there it is. It's as ugly as sin, Rob.
It is.
It's an ugly baby.
I remember now.
Oh my gosh.
It's the Saint Dragon.
It's a Saint Dragon. There's been a lot of controversy about this one. I think it hasn't really sold very well, has it? Because
I don't think so.
it's ugly as sin.
It is a bit ugly, but I think it'll grow on me.
I'm only joking, Rob. You know what?
And
the more I look at it, I actually quite like it.
yeah,
It's an old 1980s Japanese comic thing, isn't it? I think?
right. Yeah.
So that's where the Saint Dragon comes from, and I don't know. He looks a bit like a fish, if you ask me. You think a bit like a manta ray type thing. I like it.
Yeah. And it's on slightly modified, isn't it? Thundershot chassis.
Thundershot,
Yeah.
Terror Scorcher type thing. I think it's something like that.
Yeah. No, they're all on the Thundershot.
Right. Well, that's got the one
normal,
shock, Rob.
yeah. But it's still called a Thundershot.
Right.
But they've stuck two shocks on the front instead.
And I think you got this for an absolute bargain, didn't you, Rob?
I did, yeah.
Go on, how much was it?
109.
109. That is amazing for what you get, you know, four-wheel drive. It's got all metal drivetrain.
It has.
Like you say, CVAs.
CVA shocks.
We'll see it's got some nice metal bits.
Yeah.
So, let's get the lid off, Rob. Come on, what are you
Let's get
doing?
it off.
You're getting too old for this, mate.
We are. I can't get.
No, I said you are, because you're older than me.
Well, I am. Yeah.
I'm only 60.
Yeah. So am I.
Oh, hey, it's a nice presentation. Isn't it? I
Just
like that. It looks lovely.
Yeah.
I like it when you get the extra little box.
I know.
Yeah.
For now.
And look at that.
Yes.
It's already cut out and painted.
Already cut out.
Which, for this time of the year, Rob,
Oh yes.
is a godsend, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
At the minute.
Very nice. You're going to get it out of the bag or what?
Yeah. Stapled to it though.
I'm going to make him fast forward this bit, guys. Fast forward.
That's going to be a jump.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I think there's still overspray.
Overspray, film me.
Yeah, I
Do you
think.
know, I quite like the shape of that.
Yeah.
It's very manga, isn't it?
It
Is
is.
that the right word? Japanese manga kind of thing?
Yeah,
It is, isn't it?
something like that, yeah. Manga
Looks like
cartoons.
Sonic the Hedgehog's head.
Yeah. All right.
Right.
Well,
there's
there
that.
we go.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Pre-cut, bang, beef,
We've got bearings.
You got our bearings. Even in the... Oh my God, it's just tipped it up. Well, that's one way to unbox it, Rob.
Well, that's what I thought.
This is not
you know,
messing about.
We've been doing this
No
for
bags.
years.
That's not a new Tamiya upgrade, that's Rob taking
No,
it out
it
of
is.
the bags so we could have a faster unboxing. Wibbly wobbly, Pete Wiley. You've got to do a Pete Wiley, haven't you?
You have. We get a driver.
Ooh.
Same as the Thunder Dragon and all the
Yeah,
other
so driver
ones.
as well, so that's an extra bonus.
It is. Nice bathtub.
Bathtub, well, it's not that nice because they break easy, Rob.
They do.
Got to watch them. I know from experience.
Especially if you forget to put the front bumper on
Oh yeah, that happens and all.
and then drive it into a tree.
He's getting. I know what's going to happen now. He's got to do it.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
It's a birthday sniff. You're not going to do the bat, or he's doing an individual sniff.
Oh, no, they do
Wow.
smell like proper rubber.
Proper Tamiya. Look, give it here, mate. I'm making you jealous. Hang on. Oh, I see what you mean. Very nice.
yeah.
Oh, gosh.
And that's it. We've got lots of plastic bits.
Oh, he's got lots of plastic bits. He's just thrown them to one side.
I have, yeah.
You've got a front and rear gearbox. I'm trying to be professional here, Rob. You got so you got
we've
front
already
gearbox, rear gearbox. You got
done
black
things
wheels.
like that.
Those are like Thunder Dragon wheels, aren't they?
They are.
Very nice.
With the
Why you doing that? I
triangular,
remember. Look, yeah.
triangular
Yeah,
Duty
you haven't got 12mm hexes, guys. You've got them triangular
Yeah.
drives. and you've got the softer plastics there
Oh, yeah.
for your A-arms. Wishbones we call them, don't we?
We do.
Wishbones.
Wishbone.
There you go. Oh, he's got his little box.
Wow, that's full.
He's got a little box of stuff.
We have
Jammed full.
shocks,
Proper CVAs, guys.
front and back shocks, steering arms,
Steering knuckles, I call them.
helmet.
An helmet. Or an head.
Yeah, more
More
shock
shock
stuff.
parts. Shock parts.
Servo
Servo
saver.
saver.
Oh,
Oh, what's that?
I think it's aluminium
Aluminium.
painted black.
Oh, what's that for?
I don't know,
I don't remember seeing that in mine.
but it's definitely. Oh, could be plastic.
He's having a song, guys. It's plastic. You guys getting excited then,
I
mate.
know.
Extra
Shock
metal
towers,
bits.
probably.
I can't see, mate. I took my glasses off. Because I'm blind.
Parts bag A
Hey, with a
with a lovely.
aluminium. Aluminium, guys, not aluminum.
Definitely aluminium
Aluminium.
motor mount.
Yeah, nice one. And all them plastic
And
bushes you're going to throw
diff
away.
gears. Oh yeah, definitely.
So yeah, you got metal diff gears in this, guys. Here's a plastic
Parts
case.
bag B. Great big tube.
Damper oil and springs for the shocks.
Yes, and lots of metal screws and things and more stuff for the bin.
Brass bits. Yeah.
And parts bag C.
Screws. I can't see what's in it, Rob.
Got 2 releasable tie wraps.
Yeah, they're for your battery, mate, holding the battery in.
All right.
They are, yes.
And a spanner.
Your turnbuckles.
Is it turnbuckles?
I think he's got turnbuckles on the steering linkage, steering
Right.
arms, mate. I think.
I'll have to have a look.
'Cause you can
They're
adjust the toe in
hiding
and toe
somewhere,
out.
aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, and diff housings.
And bevel gears for the shaft drive, Rob.
Yes,
Good job I'm here, I'm telling you.
I know. Silver can.
Stop Mobucci. No,
And
you don't get it torque tuned.
I'm presuming that's the prop shaft.
No, it's coat hanger.
Well, it looks like a coat hanger, but I think it's the
It
prop
is the
shaft.
prop shaft, mate.
So,
Yeah, watch out for that.
yes,
Wobbling all over the place.
might have to see if I can upgrade that.
Schubert's impressed anyway, mate.
He is.
He's having a sniff of them tyres, look. Get out of it, you little critter. Get out. Move him away, Rob. He'll pass out.
He will. Right, and then all that's left is really the
Stickers.
sticker set. And not even that many of them.
No.
Woohoo!
I don't know whether I'd stick them on if I were you, Rob. I might think of something different.
Yeah,
Maybe not, maybe
I'll have a
not.
look.
Or is you going to be lazy?
I might do, I might, but I've got a lot of stickers, so I might have a look just to be something different.
Yeah. Saint Dragon, no.
Yeah.
There you go.
I like it.
I like
So-
it. Actually, I do like it.
There we go.
Let's see if we can change people's minds, Rob.
Yeah.
And they'll be going, "Hey, I want one of them now. What a
Yeah.
cool car that is." Looks
Well,
like Sonic the Hedgehog.
Cause if nothing else, I can put my police Range Rover body on it.
Don't do that again. You're not allowed. We've got to use it. We've got to convert people, mate,
I know, we have.
for liking this. Give this Tamiya some love, guys. You need some love, this poor thing. And 109 quid, you can't go wrong, can you?
You can't.
Even if you just put a different body on it, it's just amazing for what you get. So, on that note,
On that note, it's thanks for watching and goodbye from me.
and it's goodbye from him.
Bye.
Bye.
Good.
Good.
Right.
Right.
Lovely box, lovely box.
Your boxes, don't you, Rob?
Yes.
That one's not as big as some of them.
It's not, is it?
It's yeah,
So,
tidy box.